Accidents happen, from the unexpected spill to the curious hands of a child, but there's no need to worry. At Minko's Macs, we specialize in keyboard replacements for your MacBook Air M1, offering solutions for every mishap, including liquid damage and baby wipe incidents. Why choose us? Not only do we promise better prices than Apple, but we also offer the convenience and speed you deserve. Imagine bringing your MacBook to our shop and having it ready, repaired, and returned to you, potentially the very same day. That's our commitment to you. Our expert technicians have years of experience and use only the best parts to ensure your MacBook Air M1 is back to its optimal condition. And it's not just about speed and affordability. Choosing Minko's Macs means getting personalized service that Apple can't match. Located in Shoreditch, Lewisham, Camden, and Wimbledon, we're conveniently situated for all Londoners seeking expert Apple product repairs. Don't let a damaged keyboard slow you down. Bring your MacBook Air M1 to Minko's Macs and experience the difference firsthand. Minko's Macs, faster, cheaper, better. Your one-stop shop for all Apple product repairs. Visit us today and see why London chooses us. Join the many who trust Minko's Macs for their tech needs. We're not just a repair shop, we're your tech ally in London.